Coming on. Oh my gosh, I've missed this so much. He's so amazing. I love his YouTube performance.
I bet you do, bitch. I bet you been messing with that nigga too. Let me find out you been messing with that nigga. She has, and if she has, let her know. Let's count this shit down.
That's dirty. Dang, it's making it worse. F it. What's up, everybody? WOD Devin here. If you hear my voice and it sounds as deep, it's just because I just woke up and I haven't put out an original vlog for you in a minute. So why not? Wait, I put the Disneyland vlog out. What, a Disney vlog? Disney vlog out. And I'm hoping it makes top. It cracks top something. So, hey, I think right now we're headed to a store where I can get some clothes or to get earphones. Either one, you know. Life has come to that where you have to choose either one, you know. So, other than that, grocery store today. Yeah. Stores. Why not? I'll see you. Poster. Yeah, I'll see you at the poster.
Because that's where I actually live. Hometown.
How in the fuck are you got to say? The way that we do it, it's not the way. No, don't you sweat it, you not in the way. Nothing you do could be ending my day. Cash is fuck on my bed, I lay. Look at the ceiling, they fade away. Stressing and checking on me for a blessing, but I can hit.
So I got my earphones and these mugs knock. I'm in a Cutlass riding down Compton Boulevard with the windows up, bass just booming. Like, where have these been all my life? And they're silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold. You get what I mean. But hey, these mugs slap though, they fire. I'm thinking about getting another pair when I can. The old earphones were back up, so shit. Honestly though, you guys, a couple of days ago I had a little breakdown and I'm sorry about that, you know. It was stupid. That's not the way I usually act, and I don't know, something just came over me, you know. But no more, because it's affecting me and I don't like feeling that way no more. So I got to talk to my friend that night, and we had a couple of words of saying, and I love it. I really do. And this is how you know that I'm done with the bullshit. I made the World of Disney video after that, and I can't say that I did a great job on it, and my mind was focused on the right things and the right goals in life, you know. Wasn't focused on other people. Right goals, right everything. And that's what it's supposed to be about. And I don't have to stress that any more than I have to. If you're wondering what earphones I got, they're called Elements. Element of Surprise. And these are amazing earphones, dude. Like, they knock like crazy. So if you're ever looking for some earphones that's cheap but with great quality, choose Elements. Promise, I'm not sponsoring them or nothing. There'll be a link below in the description box. Trust me, I am not sponsoring them, but you know, Choose Element. Can't go wrong with that, so why not? People still have DirecTV. Honestly, I think Comcast is way better, but that's just my memo. What are they planning on doing with all this metal sheet in the back of their truck? Probably gonna build like a Sprite machine or something. We really need one. We really need one. I said it first, so argue with me in the comment section, but I said it first. So the day's not over here. And it may seem like it's over, but it's not over. Look at the sky, it's so bright. I was like, come on, I ain't stupid. Next time you see me, I will be in the car of my pops. So, thank you if you got this far in the vlog. I'll see you in the car.
In my day, cash is fuck on my bed, I lay, look at the ceiling and fade away, stressing and checking on me for a blessing, but I can hear nothing, I'm gone for the day, shit you can afford that, I get it, looking like a bomb when they think I'm holding pennies, pull out your mortgage, just spend it in a minute, take it how you wanna, get mad when you get it, blame everyone around you for the money you ain't get it, boy man, up to the life you ain't living, times I get chillin' sometimes, I'm forgiving my minds, on the rhythm, so don't fuck up when I see you, loose, neck, cotton chains banging off my body, sounding like a dog walking, razor barking, if you buy me, let the sky.
Teenagers and up to a certain age is speed demons.
Speed! Oh, Michael Jackson song, Speed Demon.
Yeah, and from 87. That's what I'm
Speed
saying.
Demon.
These is but no, it's not a speed demon. It's just the fact that people like to get where they're going at a certain time.
Yeah.
They got speed.
Go Charlotte. This is the back way. I don't think anybody ever really comes this way. I came this way once. So. Taco shells, not that one. So these ones are $129. No, not gonna get those ones. I'm gonna probably get. Oh, I'm vlogging right now. I'm trying to get some taco shells. How much are these? Right here. $80. I was $80.
They never vlogging too much.
Yeah, they know do stuff too. I don't watch their channel. I'll be telling them I do, but I do. I don't watch their channel because they know I'm trying to be like me. I don't like that because they know I'm never really even. Let me cut this while I'm talking. That's the end of the vlog, of course. Sorry it was short, but give me credit. I've been giving you like 20-minute vlogs and 15 minutes and specials and skits and all that. Trust me, I'm getting back on my February rocker. Birthday's tomorrow. Why not? Vlog. So, do me a favor. If you like this vlog, hit that like button down below. That subscribe button down below for more content like this. And it will be given to you. I am your fairy godmother. I don't know gay stuff, but I'm your fairy godmother. So, yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Matter of fact, no vlog tomorrow. Story time. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. 2 words, vlog over. Is the vlog over already, bro? Damn, my son.
I miss this so much. He's so amazing. I was drinking the 4 cups.